Hi guys, and welcome back to DesignBeau channel, interior design and styling masterclasses, and let's face it, everything in between. So hi, thanks for joining me, Janie Johnson, interior designer. Thanks for coming back. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, share my content. Let's get other people involved and let's just be a really big part of a inspiring, growing design community. How are we all doing? Today, I would like to talk to you guys all about the very controversial Colour of the Year by Pantone. You've heard it here. You've probably seen it all over on different social media platforms. It really is causing a lot of debate. You either love it or you hate it. It's a bit like Marmite at the minute. So I thought, what a great topic to be involved in, and especially with 2024, fresh in our heads and a new year for us to enjoy together. Let's hit it off with this new Colour of the Year. So here it is, Pantone's Colour of the Year 2024, Peach. Fuzzy peach. Everything peach, everything peachy. It's all peachy, oh gosh. Anyway, that's the colour, so let's have a little chat about it. Now, I've already started discussing this on other platforms. I've done a couple of I've done an Instagram reel, I've done TikTok reel, and I really just wanted to get other people's thoughts on what they think about this colour. Is it deserving? Do we like it? Why is it the colour of the year? And more importantly, for me, how am I going to celebrate it as an interior designer? So, first of all, guys, I would like to take you on a little journey down memory lane for DesignBeau's memories. My memories as a child, sharing a bedroom with my younger sister back in the 80s, early 90s, our absolute peach Melba dream, designed by my very own mother. And also, I remember her back in the day doing the DIY with my dad and adding all those quirky little bespoke interior design details, which probably have inspired me over the years to be creative and savvy. And she did it and we loved it. So for me, peach has a very fond, nostalgic place in my heart. You name it, we had it. We had the curtains, we had the cushions, we had the satin throw on the bed, matching, embroidered on the top, valances to the floor. That material was draped over the carpet. We had upcycled furniture. We had a wardrobe. She upcycled it. Talk about sustainability. My mother has vision, right? This is back in the 1890s. We weren't talking about things like that then. We were upcycling. Well, my mum was, and she was savvy as well. She'd get them borders and she would make them useful. She'd create the most cutest little details. She'd put them around the light switch. She'd mitre little joints in the corner so as a perfect square. She'd put them on to the wardrobes. And then we cannot forget to talk about the gorgeous, upcycled, they would be classic vintage now. I would love one of these at home. School chairs. Remember the little school chairs with the little wooden back? Oh my God, I just love them. Well, we had them and they were painted. They were glossed up in peach. That border we just discussed, that was on the back. It became a part of the scheme. That, my friends, was a design feature and we loved it. So when someone says to me, peach, what's that about? I love it. Don't turn your nose up at it. When that was painted across my chipboard walls in my bedroom, I loved it. Me and my sister had lots of happy memories in there, and that was designed by our mother to make us happy, and we had one of the best rooms around. She was savvy, she's creative. Thanks, Mum. Probably where I get it from. Oh, I'm actually intrigued. I was really intrigued to where this colour's come from. So I've took to my colour charts to see what other people are saying. Dulux Trade, what you got? Now these have everything. So you can see, oh, you have a variety there. So peach, you know, on the scale, you're going from your pink over to your yellow, and it's really getting that kind of soft, almost nectarine colours to pick up your peach. And yeah, Dulux, they have quite a wealth there themselves. Then peach maybe? I'd love this as a nail colour. Look at me, converting myself. Oh my gosh. Peach with green. Who knew? Peach, green, greys. Guys, I think we've got a lot to go on to creating a modern scheme using peach. I am going to collect all my samples. I'm going to have a rummage through, and I'm going to put together a mood board of how I can do a modern take using a nostalgic shade. What do you reckon? Do you reckon it's going to work out? Got some work to do, but hopefully by the end of that, I would have converted some of you peach haters out there, and maybe you'll give it a go in your own home. Let's see. Let's have a look. So what do you think? Have I converted you? Do you like it? Is it a little bit too niche? Is it a little bit out there for you? You know, some people are really scared of colour, but you don't have to. Colour's your friend. Don't shy away from it. And you know, these things, use a little bit as a feature. Use as little or as much as you like. Hopefully this has given you a little bit of inspiration of how to do it at home yourself. So, just to round up today's episode, peach is a yes from me. In certain circumstances, it doesn't mean I'm going to be doing any fully peach scheme soon. However, use it as an accent colour, on a feature, in detailing, yeah, why not? In fashion, do you know what? Yeah, I probably would use a nice peachy lip gloss, and it's definitely one for my nails when it comes into summer this year. So keep your eyes peeled where you can see peach, and let me know, what do you think? Is it your Marmite? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Do you use it? Drop me something below in these comments. Let's get this design debate started, because I love it. Are you an interior designer? Are you just a design enthusiast? Who cares? As long as you love design, get your comments below. We're all valid. We can all have our own opinion, and I would absolutely love to hear them. So thank you very much for joining me again, and I can't wait to do my next video for you guys. And as always, if you do like this content, if you do like my videos, I really appreciate a subscribe. And get yourselves over on my other social media platforms, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, all DesignBeau. take yourselves over there, keep yourself updated. I do lots of updates, I do lots of design inspiration for interior design, little bits in between. Who loves a good crafting? I do. So have a look what's over there, see if anything takes your fancy, and please join me again soon. I can't wait to see you again. See you later and take care. Bye.